In this video, I will guide you how to fix EAFC25 stuck on loading screen. If you have an NVIDIA GPU, right-click the NVIDIA icon in the taskbar at the bottom right, open NVIDIA app, go to Drivers tab and install the latest drivers. If you're still facing issues, reinstall the graphics driver, start your computer and try launching the game again. For AMD or Intel users, search online for how to update your specific drivers. From the official websites, you can download the specific drivers. If it's not helps, then there is a fix too, which is verify game files in Steam. Open Steam and go to Library. Click on Steam at the top left corner. Go to Settings, then click Downloads. Click Clear Cache and wait for it to finish. Right-click on EAFC25 in the library. Here I am using this as an example. Go to Properties, then Installed Files. Click Verify Integrity of Game Files and wait for the process to complete. Launch the game again and check if it works. If it also doesn't help, then there is a fix 3, which is change compatibility settings. Right-click on EAFC25exe file. Here I am using this file as an example. Click on Properties, go to Compatibility tab, tick Disable Full Screen Optimizations, and run this program as administrator. Click Apply, then OK. Launch the game again and see if it helps. There's also a fix 4, which is Run in Compatibility mode. Repeat step 1, 2 from fix 3. Tick the Run this program in Compatibility mode 4. Select Windows 8 from the drop-down menu. Click Apply, then OK. Then launch the game and check if it works. If the game runs, go back to Settings, disable Compatibility mode, and apply the changes. So that's how you can fix EAFC25 stuck on loading screen. If this video helps, like, share, and subscribe.